How to make your Google Docs read aloud. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about the steps by which you can make Google Docs read aloud. First and foremost, open any of your preferred browser and log into your Google account. Then go to Google Docs. Open the document in your Google Docs. Click on the Tools option from the top menu bar and scroll down to the Accessibility. Tap on it and a pop-up will open. Then after, check the box next to turn on screen reader support and click OK. Now go to another tab and go to Chrome Web Store and search for ChromeVox extension. Once this is done, screen reader will pop up. Tap on Add Extension and it should be added into your device. Once that is done, you can go back to your Google Docs document again. Next up, select the text that you want to read aloud and you want to listen to. Once you have selected the text that you want to listen to, click on Accessibility and then Verbalize to Screen Reader. Then after, you have to click on Verbalize Selection and it will start speaking whatever you have selected. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.